Ready to simplify your online life and permanently close your Ecwid store? First, log into your Ecwid control panel. This is where all the magic, or in this case, the disappearing act, happens. Next, look at the very bottom left of the screen for your profile name. Click on your profile name. A menu will appear. Find and click on My Profile. This will open up your account settings. Now, navigate to the Close Account tab. It's usually located on the left side of the screen, but depending on Ecwid's updates, it might be under Account Settings. Read the warning message carefully. Deleting your store is permanent. All your products, customer data, and store settings will be gone forever. If you just need a break, consider pausing your store instead, which is an option you can usually find elsewhere in your account settings. If you are absolutely sure, check the box to confirm you understand the implications of deleting your store. Finally, click the Close Account button. You might be asked to provide a reason for leaving. This helps Ecwid improve their services. And that's it. Your Ecwid store is now permanently closed. Double check that you receive a confirmation email. Remember to cancel any connected apps or services to fully complete the process. You've successfully reclaimed your online space.